the 2009 Nissan Rogue. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Top features include front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.